Wait, Jamie, wait for your brother. Hurry up, guys. Wait till you see. Wow, what did Santa bring?
What did he bring? Wow.
Wow.
Wow, what is that?
Look at this!
Oh my goodness.
What's that?
They still have issues.
Look at
Isn't that neat?
Yeah, that's amazing.
Say Merry Christmas, Zachy.
Wow.
Wow, yeah.
Wow.
Why does he keep getting stuck? Oh, Mommy probably has to fix it. That's, oh, okay, hold on.